In 1925, a British explorer named Percy Fawcett went into the Amazon rainforest. He was searching for a mysterious city that was believed to be made completely of gold. People said that the king of this city bathed every day in gold powder. Percy Fawcett left his camp that day, but he never returned, and his disappearance remains a mystery. Welcome to a new video from Nexus of Knowledge. Today we are talking about the Amazon rainforest, which is shared by 8 different countries. Its total area is about 7 million square kilometers. This area is so large that 2 countries the size of India and about 28 countries the size of the United Kingdom could fit inside it. Just like a large part of the oceans is still unexplored by humans, a big part of the Amazon rainforest is also still untouched. Humans have not been able to reach many areas of this forest. The Amazon is home to many plants, animals, and microbes. Scientists have discovered only about 10% of them so far, and new species are found there every day. The Amazon rainforest has around 40 billion trees. Because of this, it is often called the lungs of the earth. It is believed that about 20% of the world's oxygen comes from the Amazon rainforest. According to estimates, around 200,000 people live in the Amazon who have no contact with the outside world. They continue to live isolated lives, far away from modern civilization. One of the biggest mysteries of the Amazon is the City of Gold, also known as El Dorado. It is believed that long ago there was a city made completely of gold. The king of this city was said to bathe every day in gold powder and then wash it all into the Amazon River. In the 16th century, Europeans arrived in South America, where the Amazon forest is located. They came with many soldiers and planned to take control of the land. There they met local Amazon tribes who had already built their own cities. The Europeans captured these cities, and by the end of the 16th century, they heard stories about a golden city hidden deep inside the Amazon forest. Because of these stories, the Europeans began searching for the city of El Dorado. They explored almost the entire Amazon forest. They found many tribes and a lot of gold, but they never found the golden city they were looking for. After searching for nearly 200 years, El Dorado was officially declared a myth. Later, in the 19th century, a British explorer named Percy Fawcett decided to search for El Dorado once again. Percy Fawcett carried out a total of 8 expeditions into the Amazon. However, he did not find El Dorado or even the other cities mentioned by earlier Europeans. During his final expedition, Percy Fawcett was deep inside the Amazon when he was last contacted. After that, he went further into the forest and never returned. This happened in the year 1925. The place where he disappeared was in the Brazilian state of Mato Grosso. Many believe this area is extremely dangerous and not suitable for human settlement. For a long time, people believed that this area was not suitable for human life. Because of this, it was thought that no city or village could exist here. However, as technology became more advanced, scientists began to find signs showing that humans had once built large cities in this region. In reality, Percy Fawcett was searching in the right place, but his method of searching was not correct. At many locations, researchers found human waste buried underground, which proved that people had lived there for long periods. Scientists also used LiDAR scanning technology in several areas. This technology helped them see through the thick forest cover and discover stone structures hidden beneath the jungle, which had been covered over time. The National Geographic team also discovered a city about 15 kilometers inside the Amazon from the Caribbean coast. There, they found complete structures that were hundreds of years old, buried inside hills and mountains. However, no one knows which of these sites could be El Dorado or where exactly it was located in the vast Amazon forest. This question is still a mystery for the scientific community. Another mystery of the Amazon is the presence of isolated tribes living deep inside this huge and wild forest. Many of these tribes have never seen the outside world. Even anthropology does not fully understand how these people survive in the jungle. One such tribe is known as the Paripkara tribe, which lives in western Brazil. In the past, this tribe had thousands of members, but today only about 15 to 20 people remain. The world learned about this tribe only after 1998, when they first made contact with outsiders. From their language and expressions, it seemed that they were trying to share their pain and suffering. When anthropologists decoded their stories, they learned that the tribe was once very strong, but later faced tragic events that nearly wiped them out. Forest mafia groups killed many members of these tribes so they could carry out mining inside the forest. Only a few people survived these attacks. No one knows how many such tribes are still living deep inside the Amazon, building their own hidden worlds. Where these people originally came from, and whether they are connected to tribes that settled here thousands of years ago, is still unknown. For centuries, historians were not sure when humans first arrived in the Amazon. This mystery started to clear in 2017, when archaeologists discovered paintings on a mountain inside the Amazon forest near Colombia. Huge stone rocks were completely buried inside the mountain, and the paintings could only be studied after they were carefully exposed. Archaeologists carried out a 13-kilometer excavation and learned that these stones were once part of a large cave system. The paintings found along this cave stretch were around 12,000 years old. This was during the end of the last ice age, when the area was covered in ice, not dense jungle. The paintings showed animals that existed only during the ice age, such as mastodons and giant sloths. From these paintings, scientists also learned how humans lived during that time and how they hunted animals much larger than themselves. Another shocking discovery happened in 2019, when scientists found a dead humpback whale in the Amazon rainforest on Marajo Island in northern Brazil. The surprising part was not the whale's death, but the timing, which did not match natural patterns. Even more shocking, the whale was found on land near the Amazon River. The whale weighed about 10 tons, which made the discovery even more mysterious and difficult to explain. Normally, humpback whales stay near warm waters close to the Amazon Sea during the beginning of winter, around October and November. Later, they travel south toward Antarctica in search of food. This is why it was very strange that this whale was found dead near the Amazon in February.